Hello and welcome to another Artful Bodger video. In today's video I'm going to show you how this will turn into a full-size double mattress. Coming up next. So hopefully you saw our last video on building the IKEA Malm double bed. If you haven't, there's a link up here. Now this is the mattress that we're planning to put on top of it. It's a VADSO mattress and it's actually quite an interesting product because it is actually almost too cheap. And the reason is because a lot of the cost involved in a mattress is actually transport and storage. And IKEA have done something very clever. They managed to fit a full double mattress into this space here. And the way they've done it is they've sucked the air out, which means not only is it a very cost-effective mattress to buy, but it's actually very satisfying to unpack. Take a look at what I mean. Okay, so I have a pair of scissors. Here we go. So there you go, hopefully you agree with me, quite an exciting unboxing. Funny enough, it does actually come with some instructions, but by the time you get to the instructions, the thing has already actually kind of assembled itself. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please do give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and do subscribe, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.